Welcome to the ultimate guide on when to hit in blackjack, and just as importantly, when to stand. If you're new to the game, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basic logic behind hitting and standing and how to play smarter with every hand. What does hit or stand mean? To hit means you want another card. To stand means you're done, you don't want any more cards, and you're happy with your total. In online blackjack, you simply click the button. In a real casino, you'll need to use hand signals so the dealer and the security cameras know exactly what you chose. To hit, tap the table with your finger or wave your hand toward yourself. To stand, wave your hand horizontally above your cards like saying no more. It's part of casino etiquette, and it helps avoid any confusion during the game. It's important to know the difference between soft hands and hard hands. An ace can count as 1 or 11. A soft hand includes an ace counted as 11. Example, ace plus 6 equals soft 17. A hard hand is a total where an ace, if present, only counts as 1. The difference matters because soft hands are safer to hit. You won't bust on the next card. Pay close attention to whether the dealer hits or stands on a soft 17. If the dealer hits a soft 17, it increases the house edge by 0.22%. That may sound small, but in a game where the edge is often less than 1%, that's a big deal. Basic strategy for hard hands. So, when should you hit or stand? For most blackjack tables, especially 6-deck games where the dealer hits soft 17, the basic rules are: if you have hard 17 or more, always stand. If you have hard 12 to 16 and the dealer shows 2 to 6, stand. But if the dealer shows 7 to ace, you should hit until at least 17. With soft hands, you have more flexibility. Soft 17 or lower, hit. Soft 18, stand if the dealer shows 2 to 8, hit against stronger cards. Soft 19 or soft 20, stand. Understanding risk, house edge, and game rules. Let's talk about why this matters. A blackjack game that pays 3 to 2 has a low house edge, sometimes as low as 0.14%. But if it pays only 6 to 5, that edge jumps to over 1.5%, which is 10 times worse. Some casinos advertise single-deck blackjack to lure players, but then pay 6 to 5. That makes the game much worse for you. Here are the most common rookie mistakes. Some players copy whatever the dealer does. Bad idea. You go first, so you can bust before the dealer even plays. Playing with emotion, upset from a loss? Don't tilt. Blackjack is about math, not mood. Always stick to the strategy. Why it pays to play smart. Let's break it down. A game with a 1% house edge means you lose $1 for every $100 you bet. A game with a 5% edge? That's $5 per $100. Over time, that adds up. Knowing when to hit and when to stand can save you hundreds. Blackjack is one of the only casino games where playing correctly gives you a fighting chance. If you want to learn more, check out our full Blackjack Academy for advanced guides and charts. Good luck at the tables.